Hi, my name is Phil from Bond Securcom. I'm a project manager, and Bond Securcom integrates CCTV, access control, and communication systems for clients in the GTA and Toronto area. We're at one of our commercial clients right now. We're in downtown Toronto. It's a 24-floor building, and Bond is a preferred vendor for all their security needs. The client wanted something that was reliable and trustworthy, so we decided to deploy Aiphone. We have over 30 Aiphone intercom devices that are audio intercoms and emergency tower intercoms. Please come take a look around. Okay, we're here in the parking level of the client's site. We have around 20 of these units installed throughout the parking level and also the upper floor. This emergency call station is a flush mountable, vandal and weather resistant stainless steel IP audio intercom featuring an ADA compliant emergency call button alongside a standard call button. It's compliant with SIP and compatible with all IX and IXG devices. Now we're going to show you a demo of the emergency call button. We're going to press the button. The strobe's going to go off.
Security.
Hi, test emergency, test emergency.
Coming in loud and clear.
Thank you. So in the security office, this is the main hub where all the audio and emergency stations come to. Whenever a button is pressed, it'll come straight to this monitor. So as you can see why Aiphone is a trusted product of Bond Securcom. We use them at many commercial grade sites, and if you would like any services in the future, please reach out to Bond Securcom.
Did you enjoy this video? If you have interesting case study about your product or service or story about your company that you want to share with the security industry and you want to publish it on our YouTube channel, then listen up. My name is Oleg Bordian and I'm the founder of Pipl Systems and Pipl List companies. Pipl Systems is a media platform for the physical security industry built on principle of free to publish and free to watch. And what does it mean? It means that any professional in the security industry can send us the video or article, and if the material provides real value to integrators, installers, manufacturers, distributors, or even end users of security systems, we will publish it for free on our YouTube channel and website. And if you don't have content yet, or you are not sure how to create it, we will help you too. Our marketing agency Pipl List produces professional content end-to-end. We can travel anywhere in the world to film a case study, product review, company presentation, interview, anything that clearly and technically showcases your expertise in the security market. You can use this content in your own marketing, and it will also be featured on Pipl Systems. If you want the industry to hear your story, Pipl Systems and Pipl Leads are here to make it happen.